action.
A few moments later.
Oppo has launched the Oppo Reno 5, a mid-range smartphone in Japan. This handset will succeed the Oppo Reno 3 from last year. This phone is tailored for the Japanese market with certain features that are usually not found in Oppo smartphones sold in other regions.
Oh my god! Wow!
I beat you. I won. I beat you. I won. I beat you. I won!
Further, the phone is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G SoC coupled with 6GB LPDDR4X RAM and 128GB storage. On the connectivity front, the handset supports single SIM, 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.1, and GNSS, GPS, AGPS, BDU, QZSS. The device also has NFC with support for NTT Docomo Ozai Fuki Itaya and Sony Felica.
Very cool. Cool.
As for optics, the smartphone sports a quad camera setup on the back. This camera array includes a 64MP primary shooter, an 8MP 119 degrees ultra-wide-angle unit, a 2MP monochrome sensor, and a 2MP macro snapper. Whereas, for selfies and video calls, the handset uses a 16MP punch-hole camera.
Thank you, God.
A few moments later.
Oppo is yet to reveal the price and the availability of Oppo Reno 5 in Japan. Going by an earlier report, the phone should be available in SoftBank and unlocked variants.
Oh my god! Wow!
A few moments later.
Bye, have a great time.
Guys, I hope you liked my video. If you really liked this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and share the video. Thank you.